So we are going to cook Nargisi. It's a very traditional Persian dish containing spinach, eggs, potatoes, and some chips, different potato chips. But of course, as you can imagine, we will add some enigma touches into it and make it with a little of twist. So we have here the melted butter. We want to confit the potatoes. We add the potatoes into the pot beautifully, Some garlic on top, nicely done, Okay, a little bit thyme. Cover it and let it confit by 100 degrees, like 3 to 4 hours. And this is the result afterwards. One of the main ingredients of this dish are, of course, eggs, but we don't do seared eggs, we do poached eggs. Here, we open the eggs and let them fall into the vinegar. So what's the vinegar for? To keep the shape of the eggs. Here we have put 4 eggs into our vinegar. After 5 minutes, we add them into a boiling water. We twist the water and add the eggs into it. And wait for another 2 minutes, on a lower heat. And that will be the result after 2-3 minutes, how the eggs will look like. Beautifully kept the shape and ready to be enjoyed. Healthiest ingredient is, of course, the spinach. We use here baby spinach, and we sear the spinach slightly only in salt and butter and have this beautiful result afterwards. Sautéed spinach. Of course, an extra twist to the dish, you can make your own potato chips, slice them thinly and deep fry them slowly by 130 degrees. So you have beautiful potato chips. The same goes as well for garlic, Slice them thinly and deep fry them also as well by 130 degrees in beautiful peanut oil, and you have these fantastic chips. Start to plate our beautiful dish, starting with spinach, a light bed of spinach, and then the potatoes on top or on the side, the way you like, but I prefer to have it on the side, And of course, the third main ingredient of the dish, the poached eggs. In this case, we have used quail eggs. I place them nicely on top of our spinach. Take our mold away, and start to decorate. First, our garlic chips. So don't be too stingy. So that's all the beautiful taste we can have. Here we have added some purple potato chips as well, and our homemade potato chips, the one I showed you just now. And to make it very healthy, some red beetroot chips, and to have a beautiful color as well. And of course, if you want to impress your beloved one much more, you can have some Persian caviar as well on top to give it extra kick.